Mesa County traditionally in the past took a very, we could call it a brute force or direct approach to road maintenance. The approach was to overlay every road in Mesa County once every 20 to 30 years. So every 20 to 30 years, the road in front of your house would be brand new, which at the time with asphalt prices was, we could afford that, and it was sustainable. With asphalt prices the way they've been since 2020, we can't sustain that. So we've had to find more strategic and affordable ways to preserve our asphalt and to add years of service life to our roads without replacing them. One of the questions we get on this project a lot is, why does it not look like a new road? Well, because the pavement that is there in front of your house or wherever you're driving is the same pavement. We're putting a treatment over the top of it. And the intent with that treatment is, one, you have cracks in the road. The main issue is that you're getting water infiltration into the subgrade and the base course of your roadway, which eventually will cause structural issues with your road. That'll turn into your potholes, right? You'll get distresses like fatigue cracking, alligator cracking, rutting in the roads. Your road will fall apart from the bottom up. And that really requires reconstruction. The intent with this is to seal those cracks up so water stops infiltrating, putting a new wear course of like a chip seal over the top, which our road and bridge does internally. And now your road is waterproof. So yeah, the asphalt, the driving surface doesn't look like a new road, but what we're concerned about is the foundation of that road. If a typical mill and overlay for, let's say, 1 mile is anywhere from $300,000 to $400,000 per mile for a mill and overlay, and that's being generous. We're spending $90,000 per mile to do this Cape Seal project, and we're adding roughly 8 to 10 years of service life to each road that we treat with this. We are trying to look at all of the roads in Mesa County as if it was part of your own body, right? You may have a toothache, but if you're injured somewhere on a major extremity, you need to take care of that also. We have to look at the entire whole. We want to do holistic asset management, risk-based asset management. I understand you may live on a asphalt road. I mean, if you're on a dead-end street with only a handful of houses, that's not a road that everybody's driving on. I understand you want a nice, smooth ride out of your subdivision every morning, but if we have major, minor collectors, arterial roads that are rough, that are maybe unsafe, in poor conditions, those are the ones that we have to direct our attention to, and that's where the dollar should be going, are the roads that everybody drives on.